Yeah, my name is Jason Polk, and I'm the founder of Colorado Relationship Recovery. So I first got into couples therapy because I was a therapist at the time. And full disclosure, I was going through a challenging relationship, and we did couples therapy on our own. But we had some pretty crummy couples therapy. And after the divorce, I was like, oh my gosh, that was crazy. And so I had a thought that, hey, you know what? I want to provide effective couples therapy for anyone who is in need of some peace and some harmony and a way through the suck. At Colorado Relationship Recovery, we hire people who are passionate about working with couples. We hire people who obviously are professional, but also have a desire and a hunger to continue their education. In this profession, I feel that our learning is never done, and it's important to keep honing our skills so we're able to continually provide value for our clients. I'm really big on if anyone is vulnerable enough to search for us, if anyone is open enough to search for us, that it is our job to help them book an appointment in a timely way, and it's also our job to provide effective couples therapy so they can get the results that they are looking for. This is important work because a healthy relationship is not only good for the individuals in the relationship, it's also good for the family. And so some of our work can be multi-generational work, and especially if we come from a family that healthy relationships were not necessarily modeled. In a way, some of what we're doing is revolutionary. We're transforming inherited patterns from the past and creating healthier people and relationships. I want to lead a culture of honesty and directness, right? Let's not try to be super therapist-y. Let's be real people. And let's be real too, the reason we became a therapist most likely is because of our own stuff, right? And so we're also walking the path to some degree, just like our clients are. And we're not better, but what we are a guide to help couples, individuals get where they want to be. So the next step in working with us is setting up a consultation call. And this consultation call is free. It helps us understand what brought you into couples therapy. It also helps us provide you a game plan and a roadmap of what it's like to work with us. So on our website, each therapist has different pages. You can watch their videos, read their bios. Also, if you're just curious about which therapist would be the best fit for me in terms of location, time, gender, we have a quick quiz on our website. It's in our welcome page. And the quiz is, welcome, who should I work with? And if you found someone who, meets the parameters, set up a free consultation call. And you can also set up multiple consultation calls. We want you to find the right fit, and we want you to reach your goals as a couple or an individual.